How's it going, everyone? Nick here with the last coat. We got a 2020 Corvette here. It's got a lot of water spotting on the windows. You can actually see it all in the LED light here. We're going to take ClearSR and we're going to remove these. So we're just going to take the cap off here and we're going to pour just a little bit onto the actual microfiber towel. Not a lot. And we're just going to make circular motions here. Now we're just going to flip to a dry side of the microfiber. We're going to buff it off here. Now we're going to need a little bit of a wet microfiber. And you can see how quick we took the water spots out. Pull this thing out of the camera here. Pan over to the area that we hadn't done, and you can see how much water spotting is still there. Now we got a little bit of lint from my microfiber towel, but that's okay. We'll get that off when we go to do the glass cleaning. But you can see how much of the water spotting we actually took out.